Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for an email server solution for you as an individual, you're in the right place. Today we're going to have a look at Mailcow. We're also going to have a look at Mailu and figure out what they offer and if they're right for you. Okay, so let's start with Mailcow. So Mailcow actually delivers a comprehensive Docker-based email suite that offers more advanced control and modular management. This is great for organizations. This powerful platform also integrates with multiple technologies, including Postfix, Dovecot, Spam Assassin, and SOGO groupware. And this is to create a complete email solution. This means that there's no gaps and no missing pieces. The system also excels at managing multiple domains and mailboxes while providing robust spam filtering, antivirus protection, and also flexible authentication options via LDAP or OIDC. It's also designed with scalability in mind, and it offers an extensive customization capability to accommodate anyone that is growing their user base and evolving with their requirements. So some of the other items here is that you can have a user account and a domain management, which is capable for multiple email domains. Your mailbox quotas and granular permissions controls are fantastic. This helps you to distribute permissions effectively. And then it also has a comprehensive security setting system and also filtering rules. So it's really, really awesome. It is also free to install, and you must account for hosting and server costs. This will be based on your chosen infrastructure. Let's have a look at Mailu. So Mailu is open source mail server, which has a complete email stack, the IMAP, SMTP, webmail, and admin UI all included. It has modular architecture, so customizable deployments, and it supports Docker, so it's got rapid, flexible installations. Mailu also has fantastic security and administration features. It's got a TLS SSL encryption for all protocols, as well as end-to-end protection. It's got automated spam detection, and it's got a built-in virus scanning feature. It's got intuitive web panels, multi-domain support, and a comprehensive user management system. You can see over here, it is open source, so it's got a GPL license, it's community driven, and it is really fantastic. It also has some integrated tools, so calendars and contacts, you can actually integrate via their plugin section, and it's got organizational control, so it's got complete data sovereignty. Ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Some of the best software in the industry. The takeaway here really is to go and try them in your field of expertise. See how they work for you as an individual. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.